Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can make a song in Bandlab, so yeah, let's get right into it. Once you log into Bandlab and create a new project, this is sort of what it will look like. And why I say sort of, because you won't have any tracks here. The tracks are needed to add any sort of audio which you wish. You can add your voice or other audio. You can add an instrument which you can virtually play using Bandlab. You can use auto pitch for the microphone as well, which is sort of like auto tune, if I remember correctly. You can add a drum machine by picking the instrument and everything. You can add a guitar and bass. However, you do need to choose a source for that. You do need to have a guitar or bass connected to it, and you can do a lot of different things. You can add a track and select any of these tracks which you want, and you can record by pressing this here red button. You can create a instrument, and once you start recording, you can just click on these or use your keyboard or use smart keys even. And yeah, you can do a lot of different things. You can also set up a drum machine. You just need to set up the beats and everything. And let me just make an example of, for example, recording my voice. And if I just press this red record button, the metronome will start if you have that set up. And now while it's recording, my voice is being recorded. And if I stop the recording, as you can see, it did record a voice. Now the sound waves, as you can see, are very small because it is a bit quiet for some reason. I just need to increase the gain for that, which you can do through the use of effects. For example, here you can choose a preset, or you can add an effect such as amps and cabs. You can create a guitar amp, a guitar cab, etc, etc. You can set up the tone, you can set up an equalizer, you have other utility tools, etc, etc. And you can do really a lot of different things, and it is completely up to you what you use and what sort of song you will make. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Those are the basics. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.